Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to access ChatGPT 4 for free. So if I go for in this ChatGPT website and go for this GPT-4, I have to subscribe for ChatGPT Plus. You can see if I go for this uh, upgrade to Plus, then uh, it takes USD 20 USD dollar per month. We have to subscribe for it with $20. But I'll show you how to you can use it for free. So all you have to do is just go for this Being AI, and you need to just install it from here. This app to go for and install it. So I have already installed it. This is it here, and now you can see so many features are here. This news and chats and tabs and apps. So in this chat section, uh, okay, you can see there is the feature use GPT-4. So you have to uh, turn it on. Okay, wait for a second. In this chat section, you need to turn it on like this. After that, you can use this GPT-4. From here you can ask anything from here. So if I go for just whatever you want, you can ask for anything from here. uh, okay, if I go for this, and it shows the wait for a second, and you can see it shows all things here. You can use GPT-4 uh, feature from here. So this is how you can use ChatGPT 4 for free. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.